Good morning. We are in the fourth week of English. Our lesson is all about informational text. Let's begin. Text or selections have different purposes. Some intend to inform or educate, while others aim to amuse or entertain. There are also texts that are used to persuade. Most of the materials that you may have encountered or read aim to educate or inform. They are called informational text. These texts are used to present information, details, or facts about a particular topic or subject. In this lesson, you are expected to identify and use the elements of an informational or factual text heard. Let's read the text. Calabarzon, truly amazing. Calabarzon, also known as Southern Tagalog, is considered as one of the largest regions in the country in terms of population. It is composed of 5 provinces such as Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, and Quezon. It derived its name from names of these 5 provinces. The famous Tagaytay city is located in Cavite. Batangas province is the home to one of the most active volcanoes in the country, the Mount Taal. Dr. Jose P. Rizal was born in Calamba in Laguna. Quezon province is known for its colorful Pahiyas festival. Province of Rizal is the place which gave birth to various national artists. Truly, Calabarzon is an amazing place to visit and explore. The passage about provides lots of information or facts about Calabarzon. This passage is an example of informational text, as it presents factual details about the topic. So don't forget that this one is an informational text because it gives us a lot of information, details, by reading the text. Learning Task 1. Match the descriptions in column A with the items being described in column B. Write the letters of your answer in your notebook. Let's have first the choices. A. Sequence. B. Cause and effect. C. Description. D. Comparison and contrast. E. Problem. And F. Persuasion. For column A, number 1, convinces a person to agree on certain issues. So the keyword is convince. Number 2, tells a problem and possible solution to it. So it's all about solving a problem. Number 3, shows similarities and differences between 2 or more items. So this one is more on comparing. 4, provides description of a person, place, thing, topic, etc. So this one is more on describing certain topic. 5, identifies the cause why something happens or happened and its possible effects. So this one, it's all about cause of something, why it happened. And last one is describes the order of things or events. So this one is all about step by step or the order of something. Informational text present factual details or information about particular persons, places, things, events, and topics. This text may aid also written in varied purposes such as to inform, educate, and even persuade. Informational text may be written in various forms. So here are the examples. Number 1 is sequence. When we say sequence, it describes the things or events in their proper order. It also tells the steps on how to do something. That's why we can see keywords like first, second, next, then before, after, finally. Next is cause and effect. So this one identifies why something happens or happened and its possible effects. So some of the keywords here we have so, because, since, therefore, if then, this led to a reason why, and so on. The fourth one is description. So from the word description, it describes a person, place, thing, event, etc. It includes its features, characteristics, and other examples. So the keywords are, for instance, such as, to begin with, an example, characteristics, illustrate. The fourth one is comparison and contrast. So this one presents the similarities and differences between two or more persons, places, things, and topics. So some of the words that we can see in comparison and contrast are same as, similar, alike, and then we can also see the words such as well as, not only, and so on. Then we have the fourth one, problem and solution, or fifth one rather. So it presents the problem and the possible solutions to it. So some of the keywords are question is, dilemma is, puzzle is, to solve this, one answer is, and one reason for that. And the last one is persuasion. It convinces a person to agree or believe on certain issues. Surely it is certain, therefore, consequently, convince, agree, and conclude are some of the keywords. Task 2. Identify what type of informational text is used in each statement. Select your answer, the choices below. So we have description, problem and solution, comparison and contrast, cause and effect, sequence, and persuasion. So do not forget the keywords that we talked about a while ago. So they will help you. Number 1, in planting flower seeds, get a pot and place sail in it. Then put the flowers in it, water it regularly, and expose it to appropriate amount of sunlight. So we can see here the keywords such as then. So what type of informational text is this? The second one is, many people get sick due to constantly changing weather. To solve this concern, the local health officials had checked the vital signs of the pupils. They also distributed medicine and vitamins. So what kind of informational text is this? Number 3, we must act now. We have to save our environment, plant trees, conserve energy and water. We can do something. Save Mother Earth. So what is the text trying to tell us? Number 4, Mount Taal is considered as the world's smallest volcano. It's also one of the most active volcanoes in the country. It is known as Volcano Island, situated at the center of Taal Lake. Number 5, due to heavy rains, streets become flooded. And number 6, Lukban and Tagaytay are both famous for their cold weather. Due to the cold weather, locals become successful in doing different agricultural activities. Lukban is located in Quezon Province, while Tagaytay is in Cavite Province. So as you can see, number 6, we're talking about two different places, but with the same characteristics. For the last activity, complete the paragraph below. Select your answers from the given choices. We have details, informational, and sequence. Number 1, blank text present factual information. Or blank about persons, places, events, and topics. This text may be used in presenting blank description, comparison, and contrast. problem and solution, cause and effect, and persuasion. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. See you again next time. Bye.